ama namin, maaari kaya?
Sa babaeng bongangera at panglaban ng bayan.
Sa harapan ng salamin parang ibang panay ang tanong kung maaari bang mapasakin ka't mapasa iyo ako yan ang paborito kong dasal dalawang patinig lang ang pinag-aasam. Pwede bang ako o yan lang? Sabihin mo, makasaya mo hanggang kaya mo. Gusto mo mahaba man ang prosesyon, sasampahan ka sa simbahan. Pwede bang ako o yan lang? Sabihin mo, oo.
Mahal ko, we've been married for almost 4 years now. You have given me nothing but a beautiful marriage.
To my Julian, I know I always say this, but there's no other perfect way to say it. I love you.
If in the dark we lose sight of love, hold my hand and have no fear. 'Cause I will be here.
I will be here when you
Binigyan niya ako ng isang taong punong-puno ng pag-iintindi, pagmamahal, pag-aaruga, pag-aalaga at ang kakampi ko habang buhay.
and I will be here when the laughter turns to crying through the winning, losing and trying. We'll be together 'cause I will be here.
Tomorrow morning, if you wake up and the future is clear,
Wow! Tanggalin mo yung resibo. Pagbukas mo box ulit. Ang galing!
sure seasons are made for change, and lifetimes are made for years. So
Today you are my bride. Tomorrow, my wife. And I pray soon you'll be a mother to our child.
I will be here. You can cry on my shoulder when the mirror tells us we're older. I will hold you, and I will be here to watch you grow in beauty and tell you all the things you want to me. I will be here. I will be true to the promise I have made to you.
Ikaw ang pinakamagandang nangyari sa buhay ko. Asahan mong magiging totoo at tapat ako habang buhay. Sabi nga ng team song na natin, I will be true to the promise I have made, and to you and to the one who gave you to me.
Sure, the seasons are made for change, and lifetimes are made for years. So I will be here, we'll be together, 'cause I will be here.
I am and always be here for you. I love you with faithfulness, gentleness, and respect. I get to rest in your presence. With you, I feel safe and secure. You are my sanctuary. I love you, mahal kita, at mamahalin ng higit-higit pa. Ikaw ang pipiliin ko araw-araw.
Ay atin ka unay. Sika lang. Palagi. I love you.
You.